cases were not the right size, and then I just decided against the tablet anyway, so I did a factory reset on that. Got the 2 receipts there, so these 2 are the cases. Cases are on that one, and this one's the tablet. Bought them yesterday, so.
Back to the card?
Yes.
I don't need the card.
No, okay. Cool, thank you. Yep. I opened it from. Yeah, I think that's right. Alright, thank you so much.
After that?
You too. Deciding for the Samsung tablet A11 Plus. This other two. Yep. Is there a case for it or screen protectors that you have here for it?
I honestly don't have a clue. I'm just covering somebody's brakes.
Ah, no problem. I can probably look around. Alright. Yeah. Do you know by any chance what other colors, or is it just silver?
It's like just silver.
That's fine. Hmm.
Gonna ask on the screen here if you want a 2-year plan.
No.
$290.52.
Alrighty. Alright, thank you so much. Well, it's Samsung based. It's a Galaxy Tab A11 Plus. So, I guess that's just it. I guess all tablets are going to have the same feel as a large phone. You're not going to, I mean, computers, tablets are kind of like phone based. So, got another one. 11 inch. Well, 11 plus, so maybe it's 11 plus inches. I don't know. We will do a review as soon as I get home. I'm going to have to order a screen protector for it and a screen case. I can probably just do it off of Amazon. But yeah, look for the review. Oh yeah, no. I was playing the game of other characters so far out that the door was so far out down that crashed the game. What? Weird. That could happen.
So it's a USB-C to a USB-C. So it's not a USB-C to a USB, it's a USB-C to a USB-C, so interesting. Alright, so given some time this morning, I've actually, played around with this for a bit. I have not set up ad blockers yet, but hopefully soon I'll let you know if it works. Again, behaves just like a phone, but I think it is a bit crisper. I had to pay, was it $180 for this one, so this was $290, so yeah, about twice as much for this fella. It's a bit wider. The other one was just a hair, I think it was more taller. I don't know. Anyways, I'm going to watch a trailer here, and I'll show you briefly of it. It's Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope trailer. So, here we go.
My ship has fallen under attack. I'm afraid my mission has failed. General Kenobi. Who is she? This is our most desperate hour.
For over 1,000 generations, the Jedi Knights were the guardians of sea.
Alright, so I got Netflix set up. Doesn't matter what you watch, I just want to see how well it is. What's it called? Lost in Space. See how well it runs.
Four. Five.
That does seem good.
Okay. Everyone remember the rules?
It's a good sound.
Are you sure this is the best idea?
I'm going to mess around with it tonight, and I'll let you know my thoughts. Alright, so it's been a couple hours, and I've decided, I'll keep it. It's very good quality. The resolution is really good. It seems to run the movies very well. There's an issue with one of the sites that I can't seem to get a full screen on, but I'll monkey around with it. I'll definitely be able to get a full screen for that and then watch it straight through. So I'll be able to watch my TV shows, movies, and YouTube on it with ad block. I just had to download an app to use it, but it works, and I am actually very pleased with it. Did I have to pay $290 was it?
No, I could have went with the other one, but this one here, it seems like it has better resolution, and it's a bit wider, so it's a bit more like a movie format than an actual tablet. I mean, just by like, what, like a couple of centimeters, maybe like half an inch, not even. But overall, it feels like it is better, and the camera is actually really good too. So overall, that'll be it for the review, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a follow-up to the last one I did yesterday. So anyways, I still got to do a couple of updates and stuff on it, but it should be up and running in no time. So that'll be it. See you guys later, and thanks for watching.